Most guys throw compliments at women the same way kids throw darts in the dark, hoping at least one will hit the target. But here's the truth. When you compliment a woman the wrong way, it goes in one ear and out the other. She forgets you the moment you leave. But if you say the right words, at the right time, with the right tone, her mind won't stop replaying you. She lay awake, staring at the ceiling, wondering why she can't stop thinking about you. Today, I'll give you 5 compliments that, if you say them correctly, will plant you deep inside her fantasies. And the best part, these are not the usual boring "you're pretty" or "you're cute" lines. These are psychological triggers designed to make her crave your presence. So pay close attention, because after this video, she won't just remember you, she imagine you. Let's start with compliment number 1, the one that flips the switch inside her head and makes her wonder if you see something no other man has ever noticed. Compliment number 1, there's something about the way you carry yourself. It's magnetic. This isn't about her looks. Any guy could say you're hot, but when you compliment the way she carries herself, her energy, her vibe, you're telling her that you see beyond the surface. You're saying, I notice the invisible things about you. Women fantasize about the man who sees what others miss, because now, she's not just pretty in your eyes, she's special. And special is addictive. When you drop this line in a calm, almost curious tone, her brain starts replaying every moment with you, asking herself, what exactly did he see in me? That curiosity keeps her thinking about you long after you've walked away. Compliment number 2, you have this way of making people feel comfortable around you, including me. Do you know what most women secretly crave? Safety. Not just physical safety, but emotional safety. You trust her energy. You're open enough to admit it. This triggers her nurturing instinct. And women love to feel like they have an effect on you that no one else does. Now, here's where it gets deeper. The moment you say this, she starts wondering how else she makes you feel. She replays your interactions in her head. She pictures what it would be like to be the woman you come home to, the one who gives you peace. And that's not just a compliment. That's planning a fantasy. Compliment number 3, you're trouble, aren't you? The good kind. See, most compliments are predictable, but this one throws her off balance. It hints that you see her wild side, the side she hides from the world. By calling her the good kind of trouble, you're saying, I know you're fun, unpredictable, maybe even a little dangerous, and I like it. This instantly creates sexual tension without you having to say a single direct word about attraction. And here's the secret. Women fantasize most about the men who spark curiosity and danger at the same time, because danger is exciting. Compliment number 4, I like the way your mind works. You don't think like everybody else. Looks fade. Beauty is everywhere. But complimenting her mind, now that's rare. When you say this, you separate yourself from every other guy who only talks about her body. You're not chasing her physical beauty. You're fascinated by the way her brain fires. And here's the psychological twist. When you highlight her uniqueness, she feels seen at a deeper level. Most women fear being just like everyone else. So when you make her feel like her mind is different, you unlock a hidden desire inside her. The desire to prove it to you. And guess what? That proof often comes in the form of deeper conversations, late-night texts, and her opening doors into her private world. She won't just fantasize about you. She invites you into the parts of herself no one else gets to see. Compliment number 5, being around you feels addictive. Like I could get used to this fast. This one is nuclear. Here's why. The human brain is wired to crave validation. But when you say being around her feels addictive, you're not complimenting her looks or her outfit. You're complimenting the experience of her presence. That's on a whole different level. Now, when you add, I could get used to this fast, you're planting the idea that she's already giving you something powerful, something you want more of. Women fantasize about being unforgettable, about being the one a man can't shake off. And this compliment makes her imagine exactly that. She lie in bed replaying your voice in her head, thinking, why does he feel this way about me? What did I do? What does he want from me? And when she starts asking those questions, you're already inside her head. Now, let me give you the truth about these 5 compliments. Each one of them works because they bypass her logical brain and go straight to her emotions. They make her feel seen, desired, and unforgettable, all without you sounding needy or over-trying. The reason most men fail is because they compliment in ways that are forgettable. But when you use these, you don't just get remembered, you get replayed. And when a woman replays you in her mind, that's when the fantasy begins. So now it's your turn. Try one of these compliments the next time you talk to her. But remember, Delivery matters more than words. Say it slow. Say it calm. Say it like you mean it. If you want more dark psychology secrets to make her chase you, hit that subscribe button and join the silent tribe, because here, we don't chase women, we make them chase us. Until next time, stay silent, stay powerful,